welcome to my channel, Kids Learner.
A for apple, A for ant. A for apple, A for ant. B for baby, for balloons. B for baby, for balloons. C for cat and C for dog. C for cat and C for dog. D for dog and D for dog. D for dog and D for dog. E for elephant and E for red. E for elephant and E for red. F for fish and F for fry. F for fish and F for fry. G for goat and G for grass. G for goat and G for grass. H for hen and H for hat. H for hen and H for hat. I for ice cream and I for igloo. I for ice cream and I for igloo. J for juice and J for joy. J for juice and J for joy. K for kite and K for gate. K for kite and K for gate. L for lawn and L for lamb. L for lawn and L for lamb. M for monkey and M for moon. M for monkey and M for moon. N for nest and N for nose. N for nest and N for nose. O for Orlando, for orange. O for Orlando, for orange. P for parrot and P for pencil. P for parrot and P for pencil. Q for queen and Q for quail. Q for queen and Q for quail. R for rose and R for rabbit. R for rose and R for rabbit. S for snake and S for sun. S for snake and S for sun. T for tiger and T for tulips. T for tiger and T for tulips. U for unicorn and U for umbrella. U for unicorn and U for umbrella. V for van and V for violet. V for van and V for violet. W for watch and W for whale. W for watch and W for whale. X for X-ray and X for xylophone. X for X-ray and X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo and Y for yacht. Y for yo-yo and Y for yacht. Z for zebra and Z for zip. Z for zebra and Z for zip.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and press the bell icon.